Okay, y'all, so have y'all ever been stuck wondering what to charge for your Brazilian wax service? I feel like this is a question that get asked a lot, so much in the aesthetic industry or skincare or waxing industry. This is a common question that get asked a lot because some people feel like they're undercharging or some people feel like they're overcharging. So I feel like this was a great video to do and discuss about. So let's dive in. So if you are a person that have wondered what to charge, don't worry, because I'm going to share with you today what to consider when determining your price. Okay, but before, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I'm your licensed esthetician, helping other estheticians become successful with the right tools and strategies and assisting others with their skincare and beauty needs. I have also provided some links below to Brazilian wax products that you may want to consider when offering this service. With Brazilian waxing becoming popular, okay, everybody's getting it. Like one girl said to me one time, she said, "Miss Champagne, buns out, sun out, or sun out, buns out." I said, what? But anyway, that was just funny. I was like, okay. But I thought it was hilarious to share in this because we're talking about Brazilian waxes. But you want to make sure that it's nice and pretty down there. Definitely when you're wearing your swimsuits and all that, or if you're a model, it makes sense to get this service, right? It can be difficult to know how to charge for this type of service. Definitely where you live, how much experience you have. I mean, the list goes on. So I'll provide you with valuable tips that you can determine the best prices for your Brazilian wax services, okay? So number one, you want to make sure to research average prices. The first step in pricing your Brazilian wax services is to research the average prices for this service in your area. So you can do this by visiting other salons, other spas, and asking about their pricing, or just simply getting a menu to see what they charge, okay? Or by searching online for information about average prices for Brazilian waxes in your area. So there's many ways to do this. You could go to the website, you could go in person to get this information. Try to do your due diligence and go places and research so you can have an idea of the average price, okay? Number two, pricing. Brazilian wax services can range in price depending on the type of service, the length of the appointment, and the experience of the esthetician, even location at this point. You know, generally a basic Brazilian wax service with a qualified professional will cost between $45 and $75 or up. I don't even heard $100, but that's a lot. Depending on the area, the price may be higher or lower. If you are offering additional services such as a special technique or extra attention to certain areas, you can charge more for this, okay? So for example, if you offer an extended waxing session that includes additional attention to detail and more intricate techniques, you know, you can charge up to $100. So I done seen people, even on YouTube, when I watch YouTube videos, I done seen people give them Vagifacial or the Vajayjay facial or whatever, which looks really soothing, but you can up the price when you offer those type of services. Number three, you want to consider your experience. This matters, you guys. If you're the bomb, you're the bomb. Your experience level will affect how much you can charge for Brazilian wax services, okay? If you are a beginner, it is likely that you will need to charge less than an experienced professional. And that's okay. You can build yourself up as you become better at this, okay? Coming in at number four, it's important to factor in the cost of wax strips, pre and post wax lotions, gloves, any other necessary materials, wax sticks. Depending on your area and the type of wax being used, these supplies can range in price from $20 to $60 or even more, okay? It all depends on what you need to be able to give your clients the results they are looking for. Show some love and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Much love and peace, and I'll catch you guys back real soon. If you guys love this video, comment down below and let me know if you guys want to know more as such. And yes, that's all I have today. Pretty short video today, and I'll catch you guys back with another one. Bye.